All right, here we go. Today, let me come get set around here. I got some presents for Father's Day and my birthday. Laura had ordered me some subs that I've been wanting. We'll find out what's in here. And then she got me a radio, the Boss Audio, BVCP 9700A-FL. This is going to seriously upgrade Subzila sound system. I had an old Kenwood in there, and it died. So I haven't had a radio in probably, I don't know, 10 years. I don't know, something like that. It's been a while. Haven't had something in there for a long time. So we go open this up in a minute. Let me set this off to the side. Let's check out these subs first from Skar Audio. And y'all, this damn box. This box is heavy. It's got to be 40 pounds, maybe more. I don't know, man. That thing is heavy. Now, this says quantity 10 pairs. I don't know. Hopefully, this is the right thing. We're going to find out. It is extremely heavy. 10 pairs. I don't know why it says 10 pairs. This is very strange. We're going to open this up and see what's in here. I thought I was getting some subs. But we're about to find out. Let's see what we actually got here. Why is this so heavy? All right, let's see. Okay, we got 2 boxes in here. Good deal. There's some paper. We got a dog. All right. Yep, there's 2 subs in here. God. Okay. Let's open this one up. One there. And we got one here. It comes in 2 different packages for some reason. I guess we got the one. So we got 2 different packages, but they're both EVL 8 D2s. I'm not sure why there's 2 different packages. Let's see, 8-inch dual 2-ohm subwoofer. And same thing here. This should be the exact same thing. Let's open this up and see what we got. 2.5-inch copper voice coil, dual 2-ohm voice coil. Ferrite magnet, 600 watts RMS. Let's check it out. Let's see what we got. Man, I've been wanting some of these for a while. I've been wanting to put some subs in there. As you saw, I built the boxes. I've been in Tucson. That's why it's been a little bit slow on the videos coming out. I was on travel, and she snuck these in on me while I was on travel because she is super awesome. What do we got here? Oh, we got a sticker. Skar Audio. If you want to put stickers on something, comes with a little thing. Tell you, here we go. Tells you how much you need. Enclosure design, sealed enclosure. Wall thickness 0.6. I got 3/4 inch. So volume, they want you to have 0.92 cubic feet. I've got 1.3, so I've got plenty of cubic feet. I'm a little over, so I'm not under, which is what you definitely want. You don't want to be under. You can get a little bit over, but you definitely don't want to be under. Oh man, look at that thing. God almighty. Oh, that is heavy. It doesn't have, maybe the other one does. I was hoping it would have a template to use to cut the box, cut the hole. It doesn't have a template, but it does give you the measurements of what to cut. 8.77 inches, 7.4 inches. And this, I just want to set that thing up. It sinks that couch down. So yeah, 7.4 inches. Wow, man, look at this thing. Golly. Man, I want to open it. I have to hold up both of these. This is, oh my gosh. Look at this thing, y'all. Holy crap, that's a magnet on there. Wow. Oh my God, that thing is heavy. Wow. Man, this is like no kidding, man. This is no kidding here. This is serious. Look at this thing. Look how thick that is. I mean, that That is a monster. Look at that. Got dual voice coils. This thing is heavy. I don't really know what this weighs. This has got to be at least about 20 pounds, man, by itself. This thing is heavy. That is shocking. That is awesome. Oh my gosh. Y'all, that thing is nuts. That is nuts. Let me open this one up too. And I'm going to have to cut those boxes. Maybe this one will have a template. This looks like a little bit better box. I don't know why, but it does. It's a much better box for some reason. Cut this. I don't go too deep. There we go. Maybe this one will have a template thing. Oh, all right. So all it is just a. This is the same box. All right, same box. I'm not going to unpackage this one because I want to keep these protected. And it does give me the measurements that I need, 7.4 inches. So magnet 6.29 and a depth of 5.49 inches. So I got plenty of depth. And I've got enough for the speaker itself. So all I got to do is get my 7.4 inches for this to set inside of right here against this edge. 7.4 inches, I can cut that. So now I know what I need to do. This thing is unreal. I'm going to put this back in here. Matter of fact, I'm going to put the plastic back on it. I'm going to put these little desiccant packs back in here. Just like they were. Oh, I'm extremely happy with this. Y'all, Laura did good. Oh my God, she did good. This is incredible. Absolutely incredible. That's going to sound so freaking good. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. I have to put these up on my desk. Let me get these out of the way. Wow. I can't believe how heavy these are. These are for real. This is the real deal. Here you go. This is the real deal. All right. I can't wait to get those put on. Now, let's get us a little look-see at this bad boy. All right. Pull that out. All right, Boss Audio System. And the Suburban ain't, top end big. Ooh. Look at this. It has the floating screen. Oh yeah, it slides up and down. A lot of adjustability there. What? I like it. And let's see. Oh yeah, that feels good, man. It's got a lot of adjustability. That's gonna work perfect. Oh, and you can feel the dial when you feel it move. Taptic, whatever they call that, where you can actually feel the thing moving. Set that there. We got wiring harness, mounting brackets. It has. Let's go through some of this. We have a mic, probably for the hands-free cell phone. We got the wiring harness that goes with this. It goes on the back of the unit. We got, front camera power out, so that you can hook up cameras to this too. It's got a front camera power out. That'd be cool. I'm gonna have to hook that up. Rear, left, right, rear, front, rear. So then it's got its normal just wire connections. Front, left, positive, right rear, front rear, right rear, left rear. Accessory wire, battery, big yellow one for battery. More speaker wire connections. Ground, big ground. Remote turn on, that's probably for the subs, for the amp. Parking switch, that's for. What does this one do? This one is S switch 1. I don't know what that turns on. If I have to read some instructions, what does the orange one do here? Dimmer input. Oh, I see you can hook that up to your dimmer switch on my dash where I can dim it according to that as well. That's pretty cool. Rear camera power out. So it's got a rear camera. Reverse. Why does it got a reverse? Huh. And then power antenna, which I don't have a power antenna. So reverse. Oh, I guess when you put it in reverse, it's what turns the cameras on or something. It must throw a switch in there to automatically turn on the camera. All right, cool. Looks like we got brackets to help mount to the back of it, a couple of keys to slide it in and out, and then some more mounting hardware to hook to the back of the unit. Let's slide this out and see what we got. And nice. I'm gonna have fun reading through all this. Oh yeah. And we have, first that's where you plug it in. A couple of USBs. This must be for the Android. One is for Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. And the other one must be just like auxiliary charging or something. Let's see what it says. USB charging. So you can do USB one to just charge a phone. And then the other one you plug in and you can connect your actual connect your phone to it and you get your Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Front camera input, rear camera input, and this must be antenna. No, microphone input. Oh, there's for the radio. Must be for the, it says radio, but I bet that's just for the antenna where you plug in an antenna. And then we got some sub 1, sub 2, video 1 in. That must be for the rear camera. R in, so the right in, left in, right rear, right RL, RR, whatever these are. I'm not sure. I don't even know. And this just plugs in here. So once you get this stuffed in, boom. Oh, look at that. Oh, yeah, there you go. So this plugs in. You can go up. So I can slide it up. Or in the down position, either way. It's got, tilt, left, right. So this is going to sit down there. So I'm probably going to have this up about halfway. Maybe, and angled up and over just a little. So it's probably going to sit just about like that. Check that out. We just have our simple regular double DIN type stuff. You pull this off, get this thing off of here from the side. You just pop these little bills right here with your little keys, slide them in. They'll come into the front right here. Just slide those in. And to pull this off, just push these little buttons, I'm assuming. Yep. And you can take that off when you go in somewhere. You don't have to leave it that way. Yeah, these are just slide in, pop off. So cool. I like it. Oh, I can't wait to hook this up. This is going to be nice. Big upgrade coming for Subzila. And then got our instructions here. So, of course, that's what it looks like. Pops open. You got all your little, all your stuff. Does all that kind of junk to it. That is pretty sweet. Yeah, it's got all the different things for power. It's got its own little amp in it, all kind of stuff. So I'm still going to get an amp to go to power these subs, of course. So I got a 1200 watt amp for 2 ohm, Skar audio as well. I'm going to order one of those. I'm going to order me a rear backup camera. They're only like 20 bucks for the camera. So I'm going to order me a camera, I think, when I get all this put in there. And things for the subs. So I got to get me some RCA inputs to go to my amp. I got to read all this and figure out how all this works. So I'm going to put that piece of foam down in there. Let's put this down in here. I'm going to put everything back in this box for now, except for the instructions, because I'm going to read those. Register your product. We'll put this back. Well, this plastic right here to cover this back up. Just keep it nice. Then we are about to go on a little adventure here shortly. Sailing trip to learn how to sail a boat. So this is going to have to wait till after I do all that. Put that desk back in, put this plastic in, put that in, put one of these on the top just like this, and that'll be good enough. Now that you've watched that, man, that was great. EVLs, look at that. What does the manual say on that? Oh, that's just I already read that part, didn't it? Yeah, it tells you how big the box needs to be, how to cut the hole. Yeah. And how to set it up. So, pretty awesome. Y'all, I just want to say, my wife did good. Be jealous. Wish you had a wife like that. I know you do. But she's mine. Nobody can have her. She's all mine. I'm keeping her forever. This is awesome. 7-inch, so let's get the 7-inch screen. That's what that was. That's a 7-inch screen. I think that'll fit. They had like a 10-inch and one bigger. Well, I told her the 7-inch was perfect because of where it's going to sit. I don't need to go ginormous. If it was up in the middle somewhere, maybe better, or I could put it somewhere else. But I'm gonna play with it and see where I think I need to go. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, MP3, 340 watts. So it'll actually do pretty good. It should power my 6x9s now. It'll sound pretty good just hooking it up once I get everything wired up. And then I can throw the amp in when I get that. And that's going to be super dope. All right. I think that's it for now. Just a quick update, let you know what's coming. Appreciate your time. Hit that like and subscribe. We'll talk to you guys later. Bye.